welcome to Uncharted on PowerDrift, a series where we go and explore places that are unmapped, off the beaten path, and yet to be explored. In the last episode, we uncovered the mystical mountains of Zanskar. Breathtakingly beautiful sights hidden away from civilization. And today, the mountains of Zanskar make way for a more man-made spectacle here in Rajasthan. A spectacle that is unique and uniquely dangerous for human beings. The Blue City was our starting point. With the Yezdi Roadster for company, I snaked through the culture and history of Rajasthan. I've driven through here in cars many times before, but doing this on a motorcycle like the Yezdi Roadster, it elevates the entire feeling. It makes me want to take the long route home. There's finesse in its handling, comfort in its ride, and always power ready in reserve. The Yezdi Roadster rules the road. Of course, like any, it's a machine that responds well to care. And care I gave it before heading out on this journey. The care that's letting me cut through these vistas like a knife through butter. But when the conditions allow it, I love taking a pause to breathe. Not only does it give my mind some much needed rest, but it also helps me refuel, recharge, and hydrate. Of course, it's also important for your motorcycle to stay hydrated, especially in the dust and heat of Rajasthan. On the other hand, the Motul Helmet Interior Cleaner keeps my lid fresh and clean, even in conditions like these. Rides like these, you tend to build a bond with the motorcycle you're riding. And the connection is strong between the Yezdi and I. She flows beautifully out on the highway, and it's been an effortless journey so far. Now, let's ride and see what lies ahead. Pushkar's intrigue lies not just in its tranquility, but also the fact that it's the melting pot of cultures, not just from India, but all around the world. And people come here because mythology tells us that the city itself, and especially its waters, have divine powers. Pushkar is home to one of only a handful of temples dedicated to Lord Brahma. And Lord Brahma is the creator in Hindu mythology. There's such a one-of-a-kind vibe to Pushkar. There is chaos, but there's calm. And there's so much harmony among people who've come from all different walks of life just to absorb the energy that this city has. It's wonderful. Now the roadster I'm riding, no matter how fast I'm going or where I'm riding, it's perpetually relaxed. And it's nice to have a calming aura on a trip with so many unknowns. And that's where we're headed, to the unknown, known to us as Kishangarh. Like the Yezdi soundtrack, Kishangarh's white expanse is the byproduct of combustion. The combustion of limestone. This isn't some oasis in the desert. This is a rose among thorns, a marvel made of waste. I give the Yezdi Roadster one last push. All 29 horses galloping to the horizon to get me there before the sun sets.
inside and just in time. And now that I'm here, this place feels like an optical illusion. Greece, but right here in Rajasthan. Some places are meant to be uncharted, and Kishangarh aligns perfectly with that sentiment. Social media has made this place famous, and of course it is really beautiful, but it needs to be left alone. Like I told you in the start, this place is connected to the city of Jodhpur itself. There's many marble artisans there, which means a lot of marble manufacturing, and the waste of that is what this place is. But I think almost poetically, the city of blue and white has given birth to this land of white and blue. Riding through Rajasthan on some of the finest roads in the country, set against the most unique backdrops. It's been amazing. I know I came here alone, but the Yezdi is like a friend who's never said no to whatever I wanted to do and wherever I wanted to go, uncharted or otherwise. Now, before I end this video, I want to give a shout out to the good folks at Motul, Java and Yezdi. Their support means that we get to create content like this. So subscribe to PowerDrift and share this video, and stay tuned because in the next episode, we're heading to the Northeast.